Hello, welcome to our channel UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about basic prelims question up to ancient India. In ancient India, we cover prehistoric periods, Indus Valley civilization, Vedic period, Buddhism and Jainism, Mauryan period, Gupta and its Gupta dynasty. So let us start with medieval period with starting with Rashtrakuta and Chola Empire. You know that after decline of the Harsha, Kannauj is the important center for the struggle. You heard about the tripod struggle between three major kingdoms, Palaj, Pratihara and the Rashtrakuta. What is the Rashtrakuta? Rashtrakuta is the kingdom in the region of the Gujarat, Maharashtra and the Karnataka region. And one of the most important ruler is Amogvarsa first. Amogvarsa first kingdom ruled up to 64 years of her career, and later Krishna I and Krishna III is important kingdom. What is the significance of the Amog Varsa first? You know the Amog Varsa first patronized the poets such like Pampa, and the Kannada is the important language for the origin, and the follow the religion is the Jainism. What is the role of the Krishna first? You heard about the Ellora Kailash temple. Ellora Kailash temple is built by the Krishna first, and Krishna III defeated the Chola Empire. What is the Chola Empire? Chola Empire is important center of Veda studies and follow Brahmanism, and important is the Shaivism and the Vaishnavism. One of the important achievement is the Brihdeshwar temple. It is built by Rajendra Pratham. Rajendra Pratham also captured the Ceylon, today known as Sri Lanka. You heard about the Raja Ram Pratham. Raja Ram first is important because various naval exercise is doing having the village administration also. So let us start with basic prelims questions and solve carefully. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Rashtrakuta kingdoms? Rashtrakuta were of Kannada origin and Kannada language was their mother tongue. These statements are correct. Danti Durg was the founder of the Rashtrakuta dynasty. These statements are also correct. Amog Varsa was the follower of Jainism. No, Amog Varsa is the follower of the Jainism, not Buddhism. So these statements are incorrect. Amog Varsa first wrote the famous Kannada work known as Kavi Rajmarg. These statements are correct. So 1, 2, 4 are correct statements. So answer is B. Who built the Rashtrakuta capital, the city of Malkhed, or also called as Manyakheda? You know that this is built by Krishna III. So answer is C. Which of the following administrative units during the Rashtrakuta period are arranged in descending order? You know the Rashtra is the upper and lower is the Visya, after that the Bhukti. So 1 A statement is the correct answer. Consider the following statements. The Hindu sects of the Vaishnavism, Shaivism flourished during the period of the Rashtrakuta. These statements are correct because Hindu sects of Vaishnavism and Shaivism flourished during the period of the Rashtrakuta. Jainism declining during the period of Rashtrakuta. No, Jainism also flourished during the period of Rashtrakuta. So second statements are incorrect. First statements are correct. So answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Kannada literature during the Rashtrakuta period? The Kannada literature saw its beginning during the period of the Rashtrakuta. The statements are correct. Amog Varsa Kabi Rajmarg was the first poetic work in the Kannada language. The statements are also correct. Pampa was the greatest of the Kannada poet who wrote Vikrama Sen Vijaya. The statements are correct. Pona was another famous Kannada poet and he wrote as Shanti Purna. These statements are also correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the scholar in Rashtrakuta court? Trivikarma wrote Nalchampu. These statements are correct. The Kavi Rahasya was composed by Haludhar during the region of Krishna. Third, the statements are correct. Jina Sen composed Parsabhudya, a biography of the Parsava in the verse. The statements are correct. Gunbhadra wrote a Adi Purna, a life story of the various Jain sons. The statements are also correct. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statement. So answer is D. Consider the following statements. At Ellora, the most remarkable temple, Kailash temple, was excavated during the region of Amog Varsa first. No, during the region of the Krishna first. So first statements are incorrect. The Kailash temple consists of the 4 parts: the main shrines, the entrance gateway, the intermediate shrine of Nandi, and mandapa surrounding the courtyard. The statements are correct. In Kailash temple, the sculpture of the goddess Durga is shown as slaying the buffalo demon. The statements are correct. In Kailash temple, another sculpture of Ravan was making attempt to lift Mount Kailash, the award of the Shiva. The statements are also correct. So 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. Answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Chola king Raja Raj Pratham? He defeated the Pandya ruler Amar Bhujang. These statements are correct. He defeated the Chera ruler Bhaskar Bivarman in the naval battle of Kandalusalai. The statements are also correct. He concluded the Gangavadi, Tadigaipadi and Nolavadopadi located in the Mysore region. These statements are also correct. He defeated Jaya Simha II in the western Chalukya king. No, Rajendra Pratham is defeated the western Chalukya king Jai Simha. So 4 statements are incorrect. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statement. So answer is A. Rajendra first continued his father's policy of aggressive conquest and expansion. His important wars, he defeated Mahendra Burman, the king of Sri Lanka, attempt to recover from the Cholas the northern part of Ceylon. These statements are correct. He restored Bengi throne its rules Shakti Burman and Bimladitya by defeating the Telugu Chola. No, the statements are incorrect. He defeated Jayasimha II, the western Chalukya king. The statements are correct. He defeated Mahipal first of Bengal. The statements are also correct. So 1, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Chola king Raja Raj Pratham? He assumed a number of titles like Mumidi Chola, Jayakonda, Shiva Padeskera. He was a devotee of the follower of Shaivism. These statements are correct. He completed the construction of the famous Rajeswaram Brideshwar Temple at Tanjore in 1010 AD. This statement is also correct. He helped in the construction of the Buddhist monastery Nagapattinam. This statement is also correct. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Chola administration? The extent and resources of the Chola Empire increased the power and prestige of the monarchy. This is general. The land revenue department was well organized. It was called Pura Bhuvarthi Nakalam. This statement is also correct. All lands were carefully surveyed and classified for assessment of revenue. The statements are correct. The residential portion of the village was called Urattanam. The statements are also correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Chola kings? Kolatunga first became the famous by abolishing tolls and earned the title of Sugam Tabitra Cholan. These statements are correct. The founder of the imperial Chola line was Vijayalaya. These statements are also correct. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. So answer is A. C. Sorry, answer is C. Which of the following statements bear qualification of to become a board member of the village committee during the Chola period? Ownership of at least 1/4 of the value of the land. The statements are correct. Our own residence years above 30 years and below 70 years of the age. The statements are correct. Knowledge of the Quran is necessary to become the qualification of the village committee. The statements are also correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to military administration of the Chola? The Chola maintained a regular standing army consisting of elephant, cavalry, infantry, and navy. The statements are correct. The royal troops were called Katagams. No, the royal troop is not called as Katagam. The royal troops is called Kaikai Kolperu Mapatai. So the statements are incorrect. Within this, there was a personal troop to be defended in his known as Bilaikakar. The statements are correct. The Cholas paid special attention to their navy. The statements are also correct. So 1, 3 and 4 are correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to provincial administration of the Chola? The Chola Empire was divided into Mandalam. This statement is correct. Each Mandalam was divided into the Vedandus or Nadus. This statement is correct. Each Nadu there were a number of autonomous villages. This statement is also correct. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statement. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to village administration during the Chola period? The Chola village autonomy with Savhaj reached its culmination during the period of Chola period. The statements are correct. Two inscriptions of Karnataka first found at the Uttaramerur provide detail of the formation and function of the village council. The statements are also correct. That village is divided into 5 wards. No, that village divided into 30 wards. So third statements are incorrect. So answer is 1 and 2. So answer is A. Which of the following statements are disqualification to become a ward member of the village committee during the Chola period? If you serve for 3 years, so you are disqualified for the village committee. Those who had failed to submit the account as a committee member also failed. Those who had committed sins, this also failed. Those who had stolen the property of others, this also failed to the member of the village committee. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Chola society? The practice of Satyaj was not prevalent. This is incorrect because practice of Satyaj is still prevalent. The inscription of the later period of the Chola rule mention about two major divisions among the caste, Belangai and Idangai caste. The statements are correct. The Devadasi system or dancing girl attached to the temple emerged during this period. The statements are correct. So 2 or 3 are correct statement. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to socio-economic life of Chola? Jainism flourished during the Chola period. No, Shaivism or Shaivism and Vaishnavism is flourished during the period. The temples remained the center of economic activity during Chola period. The statements are correct. The weaving industry, particularly the silk weaving at the Kanchi, flourished. Yes, the Arabian horse were imported in the large numbers to the strengthen the cavalry. The statements are also correct. So 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to development of Tamil literature during the Chola period? The Ramayana was composed by Kamban. The statements are correct. The Periyapuram or Titutonapuram was composed by Secular. The statements are also correct. Jaya Gyan Kondkar composed the Nalabendra known. Nalabenda was written by Pugalendi. The statements are incorrect. The Mora Mubarulu written by Otakuthar depicts the life of the three Chola kings. These statements are correct. So 1, 2, 4 correct statements. So answer is C. Muslin cloth was manufactured in the which of the following empire? Rashtrakuta Empire. So answer is A. Who among the following wrote the Ganit Sara Sangrah? Mahaviracharya. So answer is A. What is the official language of Rashtrakuta Empire? Kannada. So answer is C. Which one of the Chola kings conquered Ceylon? Rajendra. So answer is C. Consider the following statements. The Cholas defeated Pandya Chera rulers and established their domination over the peninsular India in the early medieval time. This statement is correct. The Cholas sent an expedition against the Shalendar Empire of the Southeast Asia and conquered some of the area. The statements are also correct. So 1, 2 are correct statements. So answer is C. Thank you for the